Hello guys, and welcome back to another session of learning Unity with me. So where we last left off, I think we finished everything from the previous video, which was the adding star cost to button. Alright, right, forgot. So basically, now when we hit play, we give the user an indicator, of how much each defender cost. And since we finished up with that, the next thing we were working on is creating level progression, which I'm not really sure what that means, but from what I can assume is that it's probably like, because the way it is right now, it's like all the enemies are coming all at once, and they're coming pretty fast too. Maybe as in relative to the timer here, we can make them spawn more frequently and maybe increase the speed. So maybe in the beginning it's slow, but then as the time goes forward, we'll pick up the pace and spawn more, I guess. That's my assumption, and that's what I'm going to think about as I'm going through this video. Oh, levels as in scene, as opposed to the actual level. Each level introduces something new to the player. New defender, new attacker, new challenge, new feature. So his level progression is like this, and I think it's pretty good too. I'm just gonna do it in Notepad, or I guess I should do it here. I mean, that is the point of it. So it's called level progression. So you'd have something like, whoa, I didn't know you can do that. Sorry if that seemed too much. Level 1, we're gonna have so just introduce the first defender, and that's the only thing that they can do. They can place down is defender, and then enemy, still the lizard only, and then level 2, we could introduce the trophy defender. Still the enemy is just a lizard. And then level 3, introduce how about we introduce the gravestone, I guess. And still the enemy is the lizard. And then level 4, we could have new enemy, Heartless. This is what he was doing, and I'm just basically jotting it down. And then level 5, introduce Pikachu. And then the enemy would be lizard, and then Heartless. Introduce Sora. And then I'll see how he implements it. And let me see. Trophy. Yeah, I think what I might do. What? Is that supposed to happen? What's this? So yeah. So what he did is he just deactivated these. Or by, if we remove the box collider, they're not clickable anymore. Then we also have to remove the cost, so that way wait, what? Oh, because you're still playing. I was like, wait, why? What's happening here? Alright, that makes sense. So you can move the whole Pikachu. I'm gonna reorganize it a bit and then make it so that whoever gets introduced first will be placed in the beginning. Then, so the trophy is the next one. The trophy should be here. So it should be placed right there, I think. Yeah. And then the gravestone. And then Pikachu. Yeah. Then we're gonna update those values to the prefab. And then basically what's gonna happen, I'm just gonna organize it. I can't organize it, but I'm gonna deactivate the box colliders so that they're not able to be clicked on, and of course disable the cost, so that way it doesn't look like you can click on it anyways, since there's no cost to it. But that would be for the other ones. So what he did is he already made scenes, and he also have like a blank scene. I'm guessing if something were to happen, like he called it blank scene or blank level. I guess it's like a basis. But we're gonna have like the 5 different levels, like what we mentioned. So this is level 1. And I kind of already can predict what we're going to be doing, and I've just got to configure the settings here and tune stuff out. I think maybe I should watch it first and then just work on it on my own, because I think that's what he's going to ask us to do anyway. So Yeah, that's pretty interesting. Because I was wondering, how do we figure this out? Like, how do we know the right health? How do we know this? I guess when you actually play the game, your own game, you can kind of tell, like, wait a minute, this is way too difficult, and you gotta just nerf or tune things to make things just difficult enough but still playable. Oh wait, we can't see the Q&A. I would have loved to see people's content on this. Maybe I can, if we go to share your game. There it is, this one. Let's search for glitch garden. Oh, it's here. Everyone seems to have the same one. What the heck is this? Building data trees. What the heck? Castle, garden, options, start game. Difficulty easy. Actually, not bad. Looks way smoother than. Yeah, that looks good. But yeah, this difficulty is way too easy. But how do we go back? I guess. I don't really like the color for this one though. It feels very off. It doesn't follow a certain scheme. But it's nice. Look, this looks nice. Wait, what? So I guess this is the next level. Oh god. Wait, why are they so fast? How's this easy? Dang, they kill so fast. And look at their options. It's because of that one gnome. I didn't even hear anything. Alright, so let's go ahead and edit our game kind of like that. I'll see if I can upload it because I am very interested in uploading my level. I mean, that's part of learning, sharing what you've made. So alright, so this is level 1, and then level 1 I mentioned that we're just gonna have Sora in there. So yeah, so I think we're gonna, for the time being, I'm just gonna leave that as is. I will edit the buttons. I mean, I think we're pretty much done with this game, right? We're just fine-tuning. The next thing we're gonna take a quiz, and then we're gonna have a wrap-up. So yeah, we're pretty much done. So I'm gonna just maybe take the rest of this time to, I guess, edit the game a bit, and then yeah. All right. So the first part is going to our buttons and then disabling the trophy button, the box lighter that is, and then disabling the cost. Same thing goes for the Pikachu button. Right there, and then the cost. No, the Sora's fine. Box collider, and then the cost. So let's just see how that looks. Yeah, we're gonna have to fix that. They spawn like immediately, which I don't like. So then let's look at our enemy spawners. And I know I kind of messed up with the whole thing. So we're gonna make them spawn a little bit slower. So maybe 3 to 6 seconds. And then we're just gonna reduce this to 1. We're gonna disable spawners. How about we make them in the middle first? So actually disable that, disable that, disable that, and then we're just gonna have 1, and then 1 as well. Then we're gonna make them kind of slow spawning, 3 to 5 seconds, 3 to 5 seconds, and then we're also gonna edit the script because I know I did mess with it. Because I think something was happening. I forgot what though. Because if we... Oh yeah, I remember. Because the level completed was not working. So... Yeah, because if we did it like this, it would wait till this seconds to spawn in even though there's no enemies and the timer was off. So for example, let's just check it out. Wait, what? Why can't I click hit Sora? Oh, I only removed this box collider. Yeah, it is kind of slow, so we're gonna make them maybe appear 2 seconds or 1 second, 1 to 5 seconds maybe. And yeah, the lizards have way too much health, so we're gonna bring that down. So let's see, how much does a Keyblade hit? 50 damage. So by making... So, you know what, I think it might be fine. Well, actually, wait, so they do 50 damage, and the lizard has 750 health. So that would mean it would require roughly around 15 hits. I think roughly around 15 hits, which seems really difficult, you know, given the time and how slow. I mean, he does throw a lot of Keyblades, but I see him throwing at a maximum of like 6 Keyblades. So, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Alright, so we're going to take the average of that. So there's 10, even though from this beginning, from there'd be 10. So let's make it 5. So let's make these at least like 250 health, because I think that'd be way too difficult if it wasn't. And then the Heartless has 300 health. Let's make him have 150. And then we'll see how much points. Maybe it can work. Guess maybe. Or, I don't know. I think I'm just gonna put them over here because I do want them to spawn instantly. In the beginning especially. So then it gives the, or maybe, because when you hit play, actually no, never mind. I think we just gotta hope that we don't kill them fast enough. Alright. So what would be a good one? I think 4 would be enough. So like you can click Sora, you throw it here, you put one over there, just in case. No, 4 Soras would be too easy. Maybe 300. So let's say we only put 2. So maybe we only put 3. Alright, we're gonna give the lizards a little bit more health. How about 300? And then just make it enough for 3. Alright, 350 then. Holy crud. I think this is a good time. Yeah, we'll probably give them a maximum of 3 Soras. And then they realize, oh, I should probably put it when there's trouble. That's because now you're going to deal damage. So yeah, I think that should be enough. And then for the main canvas, the points should be 75 times 3, that's roughly 15, 21, 125, I think. Is that right? So it's 75 times 3, 225. Alright, cool. 225. 225 points, and then we just spawn the lizard, and it's just Sora, and you're just putting him in there. And then the base health. And I think we have the script for it. So right now I guess it's pretty easy. I don't know, I feel like it's way too easy even at 100. But then, you know, health doesn't... I don't know, I guess that's fine. Alright, so I think that should be good for level 1. Let's go to level 2, so let's save. And go to level 2. Now we're gonna change the color a bit to maybe like sunny. A little bit, just to indicate a difference in level. And yeah, this time we're going to introduce the trophy system. So go to background, trophy. We're going to enable it, but for these guys, nope. And then that should be good. And then we're going to edit this spawner. So we're going to have maybe 3 spawners now. So we're going to disable this, 1. I accidentally did it on the other one, but should be fine. And then we're just gonna edit the base points depending on how much we have. Wait, there's a heartless. Oh. So it took about 6 Soros. Alright. But we could survive with 3. So 75. Wait, did it decrease the value? Did I see that from my own eyes, or was it 25? What the? Alright, because we're minus 50. I forgot. Somebody at 75. Nah, so I think we have to give them enough so that way we can generate enough by spawn. Because if we have like 225 plus 275, for example. Yeah, we wouldn't have enough. So what if we did 325? Alright, so maybe 375. I think it's possible to win with that setup. Yeah, so I think that's good enough. Cool. And then in this spawner, I think we're gonna introduce, like we said, the gravestone. So yeah, we're gonna, I guess, implement one into our defender. So we're gonna implement it here. We're gonna place it here. And then we're gonna have all 5 spawners, I guess. And then in our buttons, we're just gonna disable Pikachu. Thank the heavens. Actually, yeah, so we have 1,000 points. Let's try 500. Alright, so let's do 575. Give an extra Sora. Alright, maybe another defender, so maybe 625 points. Maybe. So it is possible. And why is it still adding? Oh well, that's fine. I don't think I'm gonna fix it, but what I would do would be, you know, using code. I'd probably stop it, you know, somehow. Like freeze everything in the background. Time.stop is this, so none of them is moving. And then because they're not moving, the animation is not moving or playing out. Therefore, it doesn't call the function to update the point value. But I think I don't want to do that at the moment. Because I guess I do want to just keep going at this point. So yeah, I think that's a good enough points, and yeah, we're done with this level. Scenes. So we're level 4. So level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. I gotta change the canvas color. How about to like a pinkish? Orange, maybe, yeah. So we're gonna introduce the new enemy, so spawner. So we're gonna introduce the Heartless. And then we're not gonna choose Pikachu yet. So we're gonna go to buttons right here, go to background, go to Pikachu, disable that, and then disable this. And then we're gonna include one gravestone just to help, maybe in the beginning. And then we're going to we have all of them and all the buttons. So let's go to points. Last time we had 600. Swapping. Oh yeah. I just want to do the same tactic of just putting gravestones, right? So I just like, oh. Alright, so maybe that's too easy. So we're gonna maybe lower down the health point to 625, and then maybe increase the health for the Heartless to like 200. The gravestones might be too powerful, so we're gonna maybe lessen it to 150. And that's just, and we're gonna have to test out level 3 again, just to be safe. Oh, so that's a good sign. At least there's some damage, but that just looks off a little bit. Still seems like it's a lot, so maybe we're gonna nerf even further to make it 250 health. It has to be 300. So then, yeah, we're gonna decrease the amount of points. Oh yeah, the duration, I forgot. So I guess this one will be a little bit longer. It's maybe 15 seconds. Time slider 15, and I should have done that for the other ones. So I gotta test out the timer value for the other 3. Oh god. Okay. Alright, now that's difficult. So maybe the tactic would be to place these, but then place a heartless. Whenever there's a heartless, you place it there, and then and then have maybe that would be the tactic. Like whenever there's a heartless, so put up your defenses. And if there's a heartless, you put them there. And then you put down your thing immediately so you can get, and then alright, so we're gonna increase the points back to 725. So, oh, dang it. That heartless was way too fast. Oh wait, sorry. How about 1,000? So it is possible. Alright. This one, I'm going to change it to maybe 25 seconds. I wonder how that's going to be. So, for defense, oh god. Alright. They just move way too fast. Oh god. Maybe we need to slow down the Heartless a bit. Health. Where do we change the speed? Let's make it 150 again, because yeah, this is kind of long. ahead and put it there. I put down there. Actually, let me go brute force it and just, go aggressive. So I put attacker there, put attacker there, put attacker there, put a shield there, put attacker there, put a shield here, put attacker here as well. I put some, increase the attackers, add some more. So yeah, I'm pretty much safe. And I can just put a defense there. So maybe 1,000 is too much. How about 825? So my tactic is just to go aggressive. So whoever does a monster, to attack there, put some defenses. Oh, it already has a defense. I don't know why I put it there. One, two, three, four. Then put 3 of them here. Try to double them up. That's the goal. So it seems like this one's having some trouble. Put more defenses. Alright, we're gonna lower the gravestone to 250. Pikachu will only have 150 health. I'm gonna just decrease this 20 seconds. And then this is the scene, so let's go level 3. We're gonna increase this to 15 seconds. And the other one will be, this will just be 10 seconds. 10 seconds should be good enough. Yeah, I think it should be fun. Let me see. I'm gonna go through the levels again. So level 1. So it is possible, and as long as I'm able to win, it is possible. Even though it is kind of random. Let me see if I can win. Well, technically I can win all the time since you have 100 health, so it's very easy. You know what, I give up. I think it's fine. So this one we're gonna have kind of like a bright. That's kind of light though. I guess that should be fun. Now we have Pikachu now. We should give it 1,500, 1,250. And then no help, just full on attack. And then we're probably gonna have a you win screen or something. That's what I'm gonna do too. And then we're gonna also change the slider. So now the person has to do 30 seconds. 30 seconds. I think that should be it. Let me see. And we also got add sound and stuff. At this point, you know, I don't care anymore. I think what would be a good way to introduce is just to add a Pikachu in there. Just to introduce them. And I don't know why I'm getting this reference here. I think that'd be pretty nice. And then I guess for the other scenes too, like level 1, we could include a Sora or something. And then we're also gonna, and then for level 2, I'm just gonna finish this up because yeah, I know this is 1 hour, but might as well spend a little more time on it. Go to defenders, put a trophy down. Oops, actually. We're gonna put a defender here. So that way we have level 1. Okay, where's Sora? Yeah, I think that's fine. That's yeah, I won that. So alright, so I guess that's pretty much it. But we gotta go to build settings. Take all these 4 and drag and drop it there. And then we're gonna also create a win scene. And it's basically a splash scene. But it's called the win scene. And then we're gonna go canvas. We're gonna probably look for a picture, or we can create it ourselves. We're gonna picture Kingdom Hearts Pokemon. You win. Or this one, I guess. And I would have to edit it. I think I'm gonna go with this one. Or how about Sora and Pikachu? That's really no good. Oh, this one, I guess. Yeah. Actually, this has to be a better picture. It's pretty bad. Sora Smash Bros. Yeah, I guess this is pretty good. So we're going to make this. How much was this size? 1920 by 1080, so let's just go with that. Roughly around there. And we'll just say congratulations, you win. Let's make it bigger. Dang it. Congratulations, you win. And then take this picture. Alright. So we're gonna take this, drag into our sprites, is it? Or where's this? Images. So I'm just gonna name it win scene image. You win. So then, yeah, let's go to the win scene, and then we're just gonna splash image. We're gonna do win scene. There you go. And then we're gonna put this into build settings, add open scene, and then yeah, so let's go see this in action. Now I'm just gonna stop it here. Pikachu, help me. Help me, Pikachu. Need more points. I guess. Alright, I'm gonna end it here and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.